just push it towards the end of the connector right there. Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the electric water dispenser. Okay, we have some user manual. We have our connectors right here. We have our micro USB connector right here, supposedly for charging our unit. And this is our water pipe right here. And this is our actual unit right here. This is the electric water dispenser. So this right here is our main unit. This is the electric water dispenser, and this is the white version, as you can see here. So this is where water should be coming out. And right down here should be our inlet. So the inlet right here is the one we insert on our conventional barreled water or mineral water. So I suppose the water pipe will be connected right there on that hole. And in here are our buttons. There are two buttons right here on our electric water dispenser. So there's two types of operation that our water dispenser can do. The one is continuous and the other one is quantitative. So if you use this button right here, the water from the electric water dispenser will be continuously coming out. But if you use this one, that's labeled right there, it's 600 ml. Only 600 ml will be coming out. On the back, you'll see the charging port right there. So our water pipe should be 55 cm in length. So for measurements, that is 13.5 cm right there. For the width, technically, for the height, we have 14 cm right there. And now for the weight, we will use our, of course, digital scale right here. That's 207.7 grams. So if you round it off, it's 208 grams in weight. So our electric water dispenser is a rechargeable type. So it has a 1200 milliamp battery inside right here. This is our included charging cord right here, micro USB cord, and we will use our trusty power bank, which is the Romo Sense XP, to charge our unit right here. So all we need to do is locate the charging port right here on the back, put in our micro USB cord. There you go. Let's just insert the other end to our power bank. So there you go. The blinking light indicates that this one is charging. There's good quality LED light right there for the indicator.
Wow.
So the rated voltage of our electric water dispenser is 5 volts and the rated power is 4 watts. Now in terms of attaching our water pipe to our unit, so you just need to put the water pipe right there on the center, right there. It should fit specifically for that hole. Yeah, you just have to make sure that it is tightly connected.
Perfect. Perfect.
So there you go, guys. That concludes our test of our electric water dispenser right here. So this one can, on paper, can turn out 6 gallons of mineral water until the battery drains out, as they claim. As you have seen, the 600 ml option that we have used on our test, that one is a success. And then when I use the other option, it just continuously poured water. That's working right there. So you have 2 options to continuously pour water or just maybe a 600 ml glass of water. Other than that, the water pipe reached the end or the bottom of the gallon of the water, so that's no problem right there. And I think you can use this in any bottled water as long as the water pipe can fit and can reach the water content on your container. So there you go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of this electric water dispenser. If you have something like this that you use and you can share with us, please comment it down below, as well as your experience or which brand do you use. Maybe you have a preference, comment it down below, okay? So again, with this electric water dispenser, you can charge it via your power bank or maybe a USB outlet, just using the micro USB cable that it came with, because this one is rated at 5 volts and its power usage is just around 4 watts, so it doesn't really consume that much power. In terms of the battery, again, it has a 1200 milliamp battery, which you can charge around 4 hours from 0 to 100%. We are doing a giveaway, by the way, for the 3,500 subscribers giveaway. So please check our video about that here, so you can join on our current giveaway. And please do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. If you have subscribed, please click on the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Please also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.